Welcome to this series on vehicle-level thermal management. Our demonstration vehicle is a battery electric with a fuel cell range extender. This series starts with simplified cooling circuits and a focus on key technologies, progressing to integrated thermal management. In this chapter, we focus on the role of expansion tanks. Fluids are considered to be incompressible, so proper precautions must be taken for expansion and contraction of the fluid, as it experiences temperature extremes. Fluid loss, if recognized quickly, allows you to protect other systems that would otherwise fail or wear at an accelerated rate. These system-level features or alerts are typically enabled by the expansion tank. Expansion tanks must provide the correct expansion volume for the system based on the fluid type, volume, and temperature extremes it will see. We have many standard designs for popular battery or motor and inverter packages, and bespoke tanks are often used where mounting positions and access is challenging. Join us in the next chapter where we look at coolant manifolds in detail, or contact our team today via our website.